How to use split screen mode in Fortnite. Play the sport with mates who do not also have a console. Is there a split screen in Fortnite? Completely. Fortnite might have the repute of being a web-based multiplayer online game performed by solo players on a single gadget, however the title really helps a hidden split-screen mode that permits two separate gamers to play online collectively, on the identical display screen, and on the identical time. The choice to make use of Fortnite's split-screen characteristic is simply accessible on Xbox and PlayStation consoles. Breakup screen shouldn't be supported on cellular, PC, or the Nintendo Swap. It is utterly comprehensible to ask if split screen nonetheless exists in Fortnite, as the choice does not seem in any menu and is turned on routinely when a second participant is detected. Right here's every little thing that you must learn about how you can get split screen on Fortnite on Xbox One, Xbox Series X, PS4, or PS5 consoles. What you have to play Fortnite in breakup display. In contrast to most native multiplayer video games, there's a little bit of preparation that must be accomplished earlier than you are able to do a cut-up display screen Fortnite recreation on a single console. The excellent news is that if the two individuals enjoying have already got their very own separate Epic Video Games accounts arranged, you won't have to do a lot. Right here's what you'll have to get cut-up display screen working in Fortnite. An Xbox One, Xbox Series X, PS4, or PS5 online game console. And lively web connection. 2 controllers to your online game console. 2 separate Epic Video Games accounts linked to 2 separate Xbox or PSN accounts. Why you want 2 accounts for Fortnite breakup display. Regardless that you'll have 2 individuals enjoying Fortnite on the identical console, separate Epic Video Games accounts are wanted to trace and save the progress of every participant and retailer any objects they could unlock or buy. Epic Video Games is the corporate behind Fortnite. Epic Video Games accounts save knowledge between gadgets so the one Epic Video Games account can be utilized to play Fortnite on console, PC, and cellular. If you happen to are going to be playing Fortnite on either an Xbox One or Xbox Series X console, you'll want an Xbox account for a similar cause. Equally, in the event you're enjoying on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, you'll want a separate PSN account for every participant. The next steps will stroll you through establishing accounts, connecting them appropriately, after which how you can do split screen on Fortnite Xbox and PlayStation model. Fortnite in-game video chat, learn more. The best way to do breakup display on Fortnite. The very first thing you'll have to do is ready up your accounts for every participant. If each gamers have already got their Epic Video Games accounts created, they usually link them to their Xbox or PSN accounts for his or her related consoles. Open an online browser in your PC or sensible gadget and, when you've got an Xbox console, create a new Xbox account on the official Xbox website. Microsoft. If you may have a PS4 or PS5 console, create a new PSN account on the official PlayStation website. Subsequent, go to the official Epic Games website and click on Signal in. Epic Video Games. Click on Signal in with Xbox in the event you're utilizing an Xbox account, or Signal in with PlayStation Community in the event you're utilizing a PSN account. Your console account will now be linked along with your Epic Video Games account. Repeat these steps to arrange a second account in the event you want one. Epic Games. You needn't stress about linking your Epic Video Games and console accounts, as they can be unlinked at any time. You can too delete your Epic Games account if you want. Flip in your Xbox or PlayStation console and have every participant check in with a controller as typical. Don't share the one controller, as this can confuse the system. Have one participant open the Fortnite online game and choose Battle Royale. Epic Games. The identify of the first participant, or participant 1, can be proven within the lower left nook. This consumer will get to decide on the sport settings and menus. First-time Fortnite gamers could also be requested to comply with phrases of use. If this occurs, click on Settle for to proceed. The Fortnite foyer ought to load as per typical with participant 1 already current on screen. Directions will seem alongside the underside of the display screen, prompting participant 2 to hitch participant 1's celebration by holding A on Xbox or X on PlayStation. Epic Games hold the requested button for a number of seconds. If accomplished appropriately, the sport ought to start logging in participant 2. This will likely take a number of minutes relying in your web velocity and Epic Video Games servers. Epic Video Games. Participant 2 ought to seem inside the foyer behind participant 1. At this level, participant 1 can choose recreation modes, try the merchandise retailer, and carry out different features as typical. Epic Games note prepared will show above each gamer's characters, however that is regular and can change as quickly because the match begins. If participant 2 must enter their locker or different areas, they will acquire management by holding down the A button on Xbox or the X button on PlayStation. A menu display screen that is barely smaller than the common one will seem. Participant 1 can acquire management of the menus once more by holding down A or X. Epic Video Games. When you're each prepared, head again to the principal display screen and start a match as you often would. The phrases prepared ought to seem above your heads as the sport searches for a server. Epic Video Games. Your cut-up display screen Fortnite match will now start with participant 1 on the highest and participant 2 on the underside. Epic Video Games. Is Fortnite breakup display disabled? Epic Video Games has been identified to disable minor and main options in Fortnite resulting from technical bugs or a battle with one other characteristic that's being examined. If the native multiplayer characteristic has been briefly disabled, there's, sadly, no technique to get around this and use Fortnite split screen throughout this era. A notification will often inform you when a characteristic has been disabled once you begin the Fortnite recreation in your console. You can too verify the official Fortnite status Twitter account for up-to-date bulletins on options. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.